everybody, welcome to our channel. I'm going to take you through our series Abs Are Made in the Kitchen. Today we're going to start with meal prep for me, and then the next time we'll do a week of meal prep for T, because obviously that's different than me, and then I'll also take you through a week of meal prep for our kids. So this is a lot of the food that we use on a weekly basis, on a regular basis. These are some of our staples. We've got our broccoli and cauliflower, our ground beef, and some of the pasta zero noodles for me. And then we've got all our, some of our vegetables and fruits. So we got sweet potatoes and then our tuna and all kinds of good food. So we're gonna go through and I'm gonna show you how I meal prep basically from the grocery store to your lunchbox. So you can have all your little goodies already pre-packaged and ready to go. So all you have to do in the morning is grab it and throw it in your lunchbox and go off to work. So let's get started.
So I start with my chicken. I just season it and then put it in the crock pot while I work on everything else. Then I start the chicken vegetable soup. It's got rotisserie chicken, broccoli, carrots, onions, Napa cabbage, chicken broth, and crushed tomatoes. And then I just let that simmer on the stove while I work on the broccoli and cauliflower. So I just spray the pan down with a little bit of olive oil spray, and then I season it with a little bit of pink Himalayan salt, a Mrs. Dash, and a little bit of pepper, as you see there, and just sprinkle it on. You can put as much on as you want or as little as you want seasoning wise. And then I just roast it in the oven at 450 degrees for about 20 to 30 minutes. Then I work on my peanut butter. This is the brand that we use because it's pretty much just crushed peanuts. Has a little bit of salt but no vegetable oil. So pretty much just crushed peanuts. And then I just dish it out into these nice little containers so that for my afternoon snack, I just dip my celery into it. A little bit of protein and green veggies. I try to eat a lot of green veggies because they're good for you, and two, they're low calories. So you can pretty much process them just by eating them. And then I work on the brown rice. So I have a rice cooker. This is how I wash it, and then I just measure out the water and cook it in the rice cooker for about 30 minutes, and then that's ready. So then I can work on the tofu. I get the firm or extra firm. The key though, before you put it in the pan, is to make sure all the liquid gets out of it. That's how you get this nice golden crispness on the outside of it. And then I just season it with a little bit of low sodium soy sauce or a little teriyaki sauce, but not too much because of the sugar. And then this is the tuna that I use. Make sure that the tuna that you get is in water, not oil. And then, of course, hard-boiled eggs. They're a staple for us. And then this is a sample of my options for lunch, dinner, and this is what my day looks like. I've got my breakfast here on the left, then my protein shake and snack, and then my lunch, another protein shake and snack, and then dinner. It goes right into my lunchbox, and I'm ready for the day.